Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mailchimp audience segments for CRM sync step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main dashboard. Select the audience you want to work with from the drop-down menu. Click on Manage Audience and then choose Segments from the options. Identify the segment you wish to backup. Click on the segment you selected to view its details. Next, click the Export Segment button. Choose the file format you prefer, typically CSV is recommended. Confirm your selection and initiate the export process. Once the file is ready, download it to your computer. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application. Review the data to ensure all relevant information has been captured. Save the spreadsheet to a secure location for future reference. If you need to sync with your CRM, access your CRM platform. Locate the option to import or sync contacts. Upload the CSV file you just downloaded. Follow your CRM's prompts to complete the import process. Verify that the audience segments have been correctly synced. Your Mailchimp audience segments are now backed up and ready for CRM integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.